What's up, everybody? What you're looking at here is the winter set of wheels that I had just taken off yesterday from my 2021 Subaru WRX Premium. These actually came off of a 2015 base model WRX, and I found them on Facebook Marketplace for $150. So they had the wheels, TPMS sensors, and the tires when I bought them. The tires that were on them were not, they were at end of life. So I went ahead and put some Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's all season tires on them. I can't say enough good things about these tires. They've worked very well this winter. I've never had much more confidence than I did with these tires on in the snow and the ice. They just worked well, and they were a lot of fun. You see it hasn't put very many miles on it because I still have little knobbies on them, you know, from the newness of it. But really great tires. If you're ever wondering what kind of all seasons to put on, if you don't want to just deal with summers, these are good tires. But that's not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is that the wheels that I got, there's a reason why they were $150. If you look at them, they are fucking hit. They got curb rash around them. Looking through here, curb rash. Yeah, little scratches on here if you look. Those two are the worst, but these have some like deep scratches here. I don't know what this guy was doing, because you know, this is not something that I did that came this way. I'm like Rain Man. I'm an excellent driver, so this is not something that happened to me. However, it's kind of embarrassing to be able to drive, you know, to drive a 2021 car in the winter and have scratches like that. I did it this year. I don't intend on doing it next year. However, before I buy another set of wheels for winter, I wanted to see if I could restore these and put a little customization to them, because why not? So my thought process is, and this is what I want to document. So I'm going to clean them up. First stage, just get them all scrubbed down with some soap. Pop these caps off. Get them all, you know, sanded down, and I'm going to take in and restore these rims, you know, Bondo, primer, and all that. And my intention is to paint them the Subaru gold. So the Rally gold wheels, and I'm going to paint them and clear coat them and make them look really nice and see how they turn out. Again, they're my winter wheels. We'll see what happens. And there's going to be a bunch of Subi douchebags that'll be like, what the hell are you going to do that for? Why'd you just get new wheels? Fuck you. They're my wheels. I'll do what the fuck I want. So if you want to watch the process, I'm going to document it. I'm going to post it. We'll see what happens. This is what I want to do. So like, I got these tires at Costco, not tire discounters, but Costco does nitrogen as well. So they have that little green tab on it. But I'm going to document the process, wash them up, clean them up, sand them down, Bondo them up, and see if I can make these things look ballin'. If you don't like it, well, I don't give a shit. It's my car, my wheels. All right. So I'll see all you guys later. I'll let you know what's going on.